Hey everyone, Corey Boney here with the Boney Life. Today it is National Margarita Day, so I'm going to show y'all how I like to make my margaritas. Quick list of the items that you're going to want to have on hand today. You're going to want to make sure that you have lots of limes to make fresh lime juice and also use as a garnish. You're going to want to make sure that you have your favorite 100% agave tequila. You can use a silver or a reposado, but you're going to want to make sure that's 100% agave for the best overall margarita. For the orange liqueur, I'm going to be using Cointreau. It's my personal favorite. And also at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to make a nice non-tequila focused cocktail that's quick and easy, just in case you have someone over that's not ready to get onto the tequila train. Then also you're going to want to make sure that you have a little bit of agave nectar. This is going to be your sweetener. A few other items that you're going to want to have on hand that will make your life easier. You're going to have a shaker, a tub of salt if you're going to want to have salt with your margarita, and then also a shot glass to measure everything out. Now you're ready to make your margarita. Go ahead and fill your shaker about halfway up with ice and set it to the side. Take 2 limes, cut them in half, and you can either juice these directly into the shaker, or if you want to measure out your lime juice, get a container ready and juice the limes into there. Take a shot glass and pour about 2 shot glasses worth of lime juice into the shaker. Now take your favorite tequila and add 2 shots worth of the tequila into the shaker. Add 1 shot of Cointreau into the shaker, and add about 1 ounce to 1.5 ounces of the agave nectar into the shaker. Now you're ready to take your cocktail, shake it up, set to the side, and get your glass ready for your margarita. Take a lime wedge and your glass and lightly coat the rim of the glass with the lime wedge. If you're going to want salt for your margarita, go ahead and dump the glass into the salt. Now you're ready to fill up your margarita glass with ice. Take your shaker and pour your margarita over the ice. Add a lime wedge. And you have yourself a handmade margarita. Now it's time to share with you the other cocktail I mentioned earlier in the video using Cointreau. It's called the Cointreau Rickey, and it's really easy to make and really refreshing. What you're going to want to do is have your cocktail glass filled up with ice, add 1 ounce of lime juice, add 2 ounces of Cointreau, fill it up with about 4 ounces of lemon lime sparkling water or a club soda, stir the contents together, garnish with a lime wedge, and there you have it, the Cointreau Rickey. It's really, really refreshing and really simple to make. Anyway, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and also share maybe your favorite tequila or a recipe that you like as well. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. And until next time, I'm Corey Boney with the Boney Life. Go out, make something, and enjoy it.